Whenever they ask you to convert from degrees to radians or radians to degrees, the most important basic fact, if you will, for trigonometry is listed on page 35, so side 5 of your math reference document. So knowing that pi radians and 180 degrees are equivalent is going to be really, really important. If you're going from degrees to radians, you want the radian measure on top. So you want the pi on top. This is kind of like the same thing of when you're converting from inches to feet or feet to inches. You're either multiplying by 12 over 1 or 1 over 12. So when you want it in radians, you want the pi on top. When you want it in degrees, you want the 180 on top. So in this case, because we are starting with it in degrees and we want it in radians, we want to multiply by pi over 180 so that the radian measure is on top. And they're saying that the result of that is equal to a pi. And we're trying to figure out what is a. So we don't need to do anything with the pi because we know it's just going to stay in the answer. What matters is essentially reducing 135 over 180. And the great thing about whether you use Desmos or your graphing calculator is you can get the reduced fraction just by either doing alpha y equals and pressing enter and typing in 135 and then over 180, and you get your answer of 3/4. Or you can go into Desmos, type in 135/180, press this fraction button, and it reduces it as well. Either way, we get our answer is 3/4.